Hi everyone, I'm from Regrob.com and today we are visiting at Shriram Luxor project which is located on Hennur Road, Bangalore. So this is the project location and this is the view from the main entrance gate. Now this is the main connecting road in front of the project. क्या focus कर रहा है? So this is the nearby surrounding. This project is built across 4.6 acres of land and offers 2 and 3 BHK residential apartments. So as here you can see the various towers. This project carries 8 number of towers with G plus 13 floors. And total comprises of 450 number of units. So now we'll give you the interior view of a sample flat. So this is the view of living room, the spacious living room. Over there you can see the dining hall. And now we are moving towards the kitchen area. And this is the view of modular kitchen. Very well furnished. And this we have the separate utility area. And here comes the first bedroom of this flat. As you can see, the room is very spacious and skillfully designed with laminated wooden flooring. As you can see, the interior is very beautiful. And here comes the wardrobe section. So this is the entire view of the bedroom area. And this is an attached washroom with this bedroom, furnished with high quality tiles. So this is the dining hall with attached balcony. And now we are heading towards another room. And here comes the kids' room. So this is a separate room designed for kids. As you can see, the interior is very beautiful with proper lighting system and high quality tiles. And this is an attached washroom with kids' room. with ultra modern fittings. So this is the view of common washroom, and just next to it, this is the bedroom area, the third bedroom of flat. As you can see, this room is also very spacious with wardrobe section. So this we have given you the interior view of a sample flat. Hope you like this video. So thank you friends for watching this video. For more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel, and for site visit and queries, kindly call us at the given number. Thank you.